Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to create abstract cutouts using vector mask. Create a blank document and import a textures. Then grab the pen tool and draw random curves. Keep the shapes flowing. For an abstract vibe, right click and select create vector mask. The textures will show only inside your path. Adjust each anchor for smoother transitions. Now duplicate the layer for different masks angle and add a soft color overlays or each masked area. Change blending mode to soft light for glow. Use different hues for a dynamic composition. You can layer 3 to 4